Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is RP. Less than a week ago, do a video. The KlLLED versus Bencoz. Remember, you woke. They even restricted at one point, age restricted. Then you appeal and them free it up. Less than a week ago, about 4 or 5 days ago. Well, that youth is now dead. Same youth I'm telling the war with KlLLED. Not even a week. I'm dead. Real name Chavoy, Mcintosh. Mobay youth, but he was killed in St. Catherine. Portmore, to be exact. Find him on a little dirt track. Found with his throat slashed. Gruesome death, as I said less than a week ago. In the video I'm telling you, say it can get real ugly for him. But it's spooky. Spooky because even though a man created a war, and not a man KlLLED alone did a war. I must say war is really in the load them up and I expose certain things about them. He was having what looked like some kind of meltdown. I think he just reveal everything and any issues he had with anybody, and he just started to go off on one. Now, even though KlLLED was him latest, target, so to speak, unnecessarily KlLLED kill him. Let me say we don't know yet, but you know it look like the natural assumption to make. But at the same time, he was ranting about KlLLED. There were others. KlLLED was just the last. By the time I realized, say, Bencoz, I rant and I expose all the things, and he might talk about this and talk about that. That KlLLED him with a focus man, but him not cause not talk about the people. No, the sorry say, me catch on to it late. So there was even a shab snake rant. Yes. Shab snake, Raging King. Whole heap of people. In that course. See, he had left Mobay. He says that Mobay you both did St. Catherine. He might do some things where I'm say, it kind of remind me of one already. Where you have to wonder if it's suit of a death wish. Because they might talk like, me have me kill them too and me can't do this to one. But realistically, Bencoz now go win no kind of gang war against KlLLED them and the snake them and them. He's outnumbered and outgunned. He was always going to come up on the losing side. Even the video me tell you, say, no way, do. Must be a death wish. This youth used to even go on the internet and drop him location.
Yeah, Jamaica youth. So I'm there, youth. So I'm there, youth. So I'm there. Sheila.
Yeah. That's him. That's true. I said this kind of give me the whole one and ready vibes. Surely he can't be naive enough to think, say, being in a different parish mean nothing. Because man, them women worried have links all about. And especially when you talk about the St. Catherine, Portmore side, Spanish Town side, because he post about Dumbo holding and he go Portmore and him drop the location and he move go yes and him drop the location. It was very obvious he was operating within the St. Catherine space. Once that happened, easy for him and him find him that cause him that Mobay. Especially the snake have links at Portmore. What do you have links at Portmore? You see me now go after Raging King. All of them artists here, all them people that we matter about, gang affiliated. But him left him head back, real careless. real careless. Or in this instance, left him throat careless. Man then cut it. Not even a week, you know. Not even a week. You see, whenever I see people do things like what Bencoz do, or Chavoy, just the point as, right, they must self-destruct in a real time. Because if somebody want to expose certain information regarding Cray and who dumped body over here, so in my opinion, if somebody really want to do that and do it effectively, they may link somebody like the local YouTuber or you know, somebody and say listen, this I go on, this day I say this way so, and they can do it effectively. And that way you get the same damage done because the intel are trapped, but they'd be around longer for keep, man, dropping certain intel. It's the reason why when time C4 want certain things drop, right, you link the local YouTuber and we can put it out there and it's effective that way. Imagine if C4 just jump on the internet, man, go live, man, talk about things Wednesday, and then start dropping location. See me, I come do me something now. By the weekend, Clansman that kill him. That's not effective. If you want something effective, then let me say, you're not having to look at YouTuber, but can link where you want to link, but it's a bit more effective. Like say if you want certain things reach more career Bencoz, and could I say, yo, this is them to Tio, this is them to so and so, the body hide over here, so and that'll be the same thing done. But when time I see them go up on the internet like this, then I say, alright, myself destruct. But I have to just watch that in a real time. And then just start talk and reveal certain things for them own and them go live and put on the camera and them want, because they must know what will happen. Right. One can only wonder if them want it to happen. Let me say, my drop location, my job, people are messaging my body up, right, and you might tell them which time they're right now. I'm saying, see what about screenshot and all kind of things. I float around about the place. People know exactly where it was. Yeah. Plus, if they still a link with some of the man them, who are friends to the man them on war with. Which again, make me wonder if this youth, man, had a death wish. You can't war against a snake and you're fatted, still a link. You can't war against Cray and then man you don't blink. It just don't make no sense, but I'm say him know more than me, him know what his intention there. And in the end, you know me not know cause him dead. So we'll never know what intentions or what they really are tried. But I say if they really want expose, create them and bring them, create them certain way, there's a right way to do it. And that's not it. Jumping online and saying this and saying that and going live and dropping your location is not it. You can do it effectively, them not learn. So, then kill him. Not even 1 week after the video. Man, I said this might get ugly. I think the must say, man, might get ugly, and because the amount of people them him like go after. We narrow don't know, but of course you know. Cray was the one him got probably the hardest against and was the most recent, so naturally people go listen about Cray go say, yo, not enough doing me, the boy sharp snake I try you with style. She knows the man that this me, the boy sharp snake, kill him man, and then snake I go say, yo, I don't mean the dog against the boy Cray, and then man I go say, yo, I probably all riding kill me the call dog. I don't know, yo, not enough doing me, I just true man she said. So everybody got deny it. And that is what people know. Right. And that's just what we know about publicly. I may say, man, he's from the Mobay space, me say they run with them, I say, you know, I go on with them mixed up in now. It's very sloppy though. That's shame life. Man, they cut in short. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, see you circling. Bless.